Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, green is life. I'm enjoying green life. I had gone to the village for the burial of my granddad, and after the burial of my granddad, we moved around home and had beautiful memories, thinking of how we grew from here. And I decided to collect some content and bring it to you, my people. Yeah, so that is in the coffee plantation. Yes, you see how fertile our land is. We can grow anything. That is why Western Uganda has got most of the beautiful and good foods. So guys, I want to take you around. Then I will show you the amazing fruits. I will show you the amazing flowers we grew seeing that some of you do not know that they are in Africa, Uganda. So you can see how the green is giving. Seriously, this heals the soul. Yeah, so we came across our jackfruit tree. So in case you've never seen one, here it is. We plucked out some to go and enjoy. This is a very amazing fruit, very sweet. You guys who know it know what I mean.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you will say.
So guys, we removed what was ready, like to be eaten. Check how yummy this fruit looks inside. The way it looks is the way it is sweet. Like seriously, you need to visit Uganda, you need to visit Western Uganda and taste jackfruits. So we enjoyed it.
I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame, and it's fire burning holes inside.
After enjoying the jackfruit, we had to sit outside, relax, enjoy the green around us, the wind. Imagine it is a sunny season, but the plants and the trees are all green. You can imagine. So guys, there are so many flowers we grew seeing, very beautiful roses that smell very good, that can give your compound a very nice view. So for example, there is this cute rose. It is a tree, but it has this pink cute petal rose. That is how I can call it. Check it out.
Yeah, please just blow this flame away.
Then there is these cute purple and white flowers that are always planted in front of our houses to bring out that beauty, and even there is a way they smell whenever they are bringing out flowers. Oh my god, check them out. Then check out this mango tree. Despite the fact that we didn't view the mangoes, but see the beauty of the trees even around it. Then guys, there is this cute tall tree that produces yellow flowers. It smells so good and is usually used for providing shade in African Ugandan homes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with
hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned a lot from our African homes. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Our stomachs were full and we headed back to Kampala because duties were calling. Until next vlog, bye. We love you.